everyone, welcome to the GuideUp YouTube channel. Today for this video of GuideUp, I will be showing you how to recover Snapchat password. So to do that, open the Snapchat application. It will direct you to this page over here. Here to log in, you will need to type in the login details. So here to begin the process for the recovery of Snapchat, you need to tap on forgot your password, tap that. Then you will need to choose a way for how you want to change your Snapchat password. That is either via phone or via email. Now here we're gonna go with the email process. Tap that. Here you type in the email address of your Snapchat account. And then tap on submit. A verification code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check your Gmail. There's the Snapchat mail on the top. Tap open that. And here for resetting your Snapchat password, you tap on the link provided, tap on it. It will redirect you to this page where you will be able to reset a new password for your Snapchat. Type in the new password, retype the same password on the below text box and then tap on save. This will make the changes for your Snapchat. So this is how you can recover and change your Snapchat password. Now if you open your Snapchat and log in into the account with the updated password, type in the email, type in the updated password, tap on login, and this will get you logged in into the account right away. So this is how you can recover the Snapchat password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the GuideUp YouTube channel. Thank you.